Namaskaran, sir. What exactly does it mean for India to be a republic? Could you please make us understand from UPSC exams perspective?
Good question, Ms. Rainey. A republic means that the head of the state is elected by the people, either directly or indirectly. It ensures that power rests with the citizens and their representatives rather than being concentrated in a hereditary monarchy. In India, the president is the elected head of state, representing the sovereign will of the people. India is the largest republic in the world. Can you believe that?
Why did India choose to become a republic?
That's rooted in our history. After 200 years of colonial rule, India wanted to establish a system where the people held the ultimate authority. Choosing to be a republic symbolized a break from the monarchy, ensuring democracy, equality, and inclusiveness for everyone. On January 26, 1950, we adopted the Constitution.
Yes, sir. Got it. So, what are the advantages of being a republic?
So many. A republic guarantees equal rights to all citizens, upholds the rule of law, and ensures accountability through periodic elections. Unlike monarchies, no one holds power by birthright. It's earned through democratic processes. This fosters social and economic justice and empowers marginalized communities.
Sir, could you give an example of a UPSC prelims question on this topic?
Sure. Here's a question from a previous prelims paper. What does the term republic imply in the preamble of India's constitution? The options were independence from British rule, election of the head of state, sovereignty of the parliament, supremacy of the constitution.
I know the answer, sir. It's option B, head of the state is elected. Am I right, sir?
You are a quick learner, Rainey. Absolutely right. Remember, a republic ensures that the highest office is not inherited but chosen democratically. So understanding India as a republic is crucial for your UPSC preparation and for recognizing the significance of democracy in our nation. Keep this in mind as you approach governance questions. Good luck, everyone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Namaskar.